I have come to the conclusion that Toyota's designers must have watched all the episodes of Star Wars before designing the new Yaris. I mean, there is no denying that there is a connection between these two beautiful faces. I'm just gonna point out a couple of them. For the biggest one, obviously, is this massive grill right here. Just look at this. And then look at that Vader grill up here. You even have the logo in the center right there. And that would be the logo, I mean the nose of Vader, and then that would be the logo of the Toyota. Then you have these screws down here on Vader's mask. That is the exact position of the fog lights down there. And then, I didn't even think of this myself, but then Ari commented on my post on YouTube, why don't you redesign the Toyota Yaris to look like Darth Vader? And I can't believe I didn't think of that myself. That's probably the best idea I've heard all week. So, of course we're gonna do that.
Be careful not to choke on your aspirations.
That's exactly what we're going to do in this video. And yes, there are kittens playing down there if you hear some background noise. As always, there are always cats around here playing around. So these are a couple of commonalities between Darth Vader's face and the Yaris face for 2020. What we're going to do here, though, is to, of course, we can't have it be blue. So this color has to go, obviously. It needs to be black or some sort of very, very dark color of some sort. This has a little bit of red in it, but I think that's from some light reflecting in the mask. I think it's just straight black. We'll see what we can do with that. We need to change the headlights. Maybe not the shape of it, but we can keep the outline of this headlight. I think it looks good. It looks it's an angry looking Yaris this time. It's a Yaris. It's supposed to be chill and relaxed and friendly looking, but this time they just turned it completely nuts and went super mad with the face of this Yaris. So we're gonna keep the headlights like that, make them black, add some LEDs in there, some cool stuff. Change the wheels, make them more menacing, add some width to this bicycle tire back here. I want to have this be almost like a package that would come out from Toyota that they could like offer themselves from factory to the customers. So maybe like a Darth Vader pack or Star Wars pack or something like that. It would be really cool to see, because this is such an easy transformation. All I have to do is just take all the graphics from Vader's face.
You don't know the power of the dark side.
And apply it onto the Yaris front end here. So that's what we're gonna do in this video. This is going to be really cool to see how this is going to turn out, because I have no idea. I can kind of see it already. I saw it the first time I saw this Yaris. I was like, that's Darth Vader. It's his face right there. We're just gonna amplify that feeling even more in this video. So let's jump in now and let's get started with the redesign. Now, before we get into the sketching part, just make sure you hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. That way you get notified when new videos are uploaded every single week. So it was surprising to see this new design language of the Toyota Yaris. It's like it's mad because it doesn't get the same attention it did with the first generation, and there are so many other players in the market right now. And the Yaris is mad about that. So it's really angry, as you can see. And that's what we're going to amplify in this redesign. Another thing that's very similar to Vader's face is you see that little crease next to Vader's mouth. You have the same crease right here on the Yaris as well. So I don't know. I kind of hope that they took inspiration from Vader's mask, because that would be so cool if they really did that. It's kind of weird to think about that they actually did it, but you have all these details that kind of makes it pretty obvious that at least some part of it was inspired by Darth Vader's mask. And you know what? I'm super cool with that. I think it's fun to see something like this. And there was a comment on the YouTube post that I posted earlier that there's a similar style to the new Kia Soul. And I've been thinking the same thing. It kind of looks like a stormtrooper's face. It has that same kind of bubbliness to the front end, and some spaced out lines. And I've said it before, if you want to have fun, if you want to work as a car designer and have a lot of creativity and less rules and guidelines and stuff, then I would probably say go to Asia and work there, because they seem to have a lot of fun. You might not always like the designs that come out of there. They might look weird and unusual, but that's the whole point. They're trying something new and they're being original. And that's really all that I care about. The Germans, on the other hand, I feel like they're stuck in their traditions and the rule books and their guidelines that they give to the designers. I think they should just not scrap it, but take it a step back and have a look at the history of your brand and try to implement some of the old styling into the new cars. So take the old styling cues and maybe modernize it somehow and come up with something new. I think there is time. It's time now to make a big refresh on the European car design styling in general, because every time they come out with a new car, I feel like I've seen it 10,000 times before. Alright, so let's talk about this redesign that we're doing right here. Or, I'm not sure if we can call it a redesign. It's not really a new style of the Yaris. It's basically, as I said in the brief, I wanted to keep this, seriously, to have it be as an option for the Yaris. You can choose a Darth Vader option if you want to, and that's kind of what I'm going for here. Gonna put some aftermarket wheels on there. Probably not something that Toyota would pick for wheels, because they're gonna be these ones right here. They just popped up as I said it, perfect timing. I think they look good, and they just fit the car, fit the Vader style. They're not too complicated, but they still look solid, and if you have them in black, they kind of look a little bit evil, but yet friendly somehow, just like Darth Vader himself, so it fits the car perfectly. This whole Yaris fits Darth Vader perfectly. It's angry on the outside, it tries to be very menacing, but on the inside it's a sensitive little hatchback that just wants to be a part of the the car world. So it's the exact same feeling that I have about Darth Vader. So again, I just came up with this right now, and that's another reason why I think the designers really had Darth Vader in mind when they created this car. What I'm doing right here is just adding some trim pieces to this Darth Vader package. The Vader Yaris, or whatever you want to call this. Just add some pieces to the front, some side skirt right there, probably carbon fiber, or black plastic, just like Vader's helmet. We might use that in this car, I'm not sure. I also wanted to make the hood more defined, with at least one really solid line that goes from the A-pillar down to the... I think there's an air intake there, not sure, right where the logo is. I also wanted to add this mesh as a for the grill, so behind the bars here in the mouth, I want to have some mesh that shows it as an air intake and not just a black hole that goes into nothing. So add some texture and add some details to that. Make sure you stick around until the end of this video. I did make some last minute changes to the design, and I want to show you those in full screen at the end of this video. Well, there it is, guys. That's the redesign of the Toyota Yaris 2020 with the Darth Vader package. I think it looks badass. I would definitely drive this thing around town, but it doesn't really matter what I would drive or if I like it. The question is, would Darth Vader be proud to have this Yaris as his daily driver? That's the question.
You have failed me for the last time, Admiral.
This was actually really fun. I'm trying to think of more themed cars, redesigns to do like this. where we take something from a movie or whatever and just apply that style to a car that looks kind of like that already from the start. So if you have any ideas like that, please comment down below, because this is a fun category. I want to continue doing these redesigns of this kind. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you for spending a few minutes with me today. I really appreciate it. I hope to see you in the next one. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe while you're at it, and also hit the little ring bell down there so you get notified whenever my videos goes up on YouTube. I'm the Sketch Monkey. I will see you in the next video. Take it easy. How would you like to learn how to sketch any car or product you want? Join thousands of successful students from all around the world in my online class. I'll take you on a journey and walk you through the basics of sketching all the way up to complete renders, both with pen and paper and in Photoshop as well. Click the link below in the description to see what my students have to say about these courses and learn all the details about each specific course. I'll see you there.